Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make stylized 3D hair just using curves. So let's jump into it. First things first, you should add a mesh, which is a curve. So first things first, I want to add a busy circle like this. So let's add also Shift A, let's add go over curve, let's add path curve like this. So just move this busy circle along the y-axis. Just move it a tiny bit like this over here. So select these two objects, so rotate on the x-axis 90 degrees like this. In order to show that clearly, and we have here the busy curve. We have this path curve as shown here, so click on it to select it, then go over this object data properties, click on it. So just go over object, then click in this box, use this eyedropper, go over here to select the circle, and it's gonna be creating this shape as shown in our tutorial. So let's select this busy circle as shown here, just tap into edit mode, hit 1 for the front view, so just zoom in just a tiny bit. So I want to select it like this, then click on the right mouse button, subdivide it, just a tiny bit. I think it's not bad, so just I want to play around. Grab it on the axis, just I want to play around with some values like this in order to create the shape of the hair. So let's see what we have here. And the shape of this 3D mesh as shown here is gonna be following. It's gonna be following the stretching of this busy circle curve as shown here. So just I want to move it like this, grab it on x-axis, just like this. If you have no idea how you can create a stylized 3D hair, you should add some reference images in order to make it. So let's subdivide it much more and hit subdivide. So just I want to grab this point over here, so just move it on the x-axis like this. I want to make it like stylized 3D hair for your character. Grab it on the axis just like this. Grab it over there. So let's see what we have here. Also you can subdivide it like this and you get this shape of the hair. So let's grab it tiny bit, tap into object mode, then go over here, select this shape that we have got, tap into edit mode like this. You can select this and you can scale it, hit S to scale it like this. You should hit Alt S to scale it like this. Just move it slightly. Alt S again. So let's scale it like this. I want to scale it by selecting this point over here. And I think I should grab it. Can grab it also and move it like this.